So guys, we've boiled it down to one trade and a manual hedge just down here. So we're coming back up. We've deleted all of the trades. So there they are. Some of them in profit, some of them not. So what we're doing now is we're just waiting for this market to come up a bit more. We just got a nice little movement there again off of that big number. Ultimately, we don't even need to reach this take profit here. Take profit is actually here, but we want to be over that. We want to close this one in a small profit, and then we're out. So we've already managed to keep our 142 for today. So we'll just go through and see exactly how far we'll get with this one. So with any luck, we're going to get a continuation and hopefully just push it up far enough to get a closure on the trade. So I need to record this because we just left the live trading room and yeah, some. But we're nearly there, guys. So it's just a case of waiting for that bounce off of the support zone. And hopefully it will come. But we're stuck. We're stuck at the moment in a sort of very tight hedge position here. At least for the week. I mean, we got the percentage for today, and we managed to keep our weekly now. So if we go to the weekly, okay, the weekly is down actually, but we're very close to getting our target. And here it comes, guys. So once we peek over the top here, we have around 30 points, 25 points. And as soon as this one comes into a profit now, just here, then we'll close that down straight away. So we want to keep an eye on this one here, is the one just over that 34,710. And we can actually even keep dragging this pending hedge further and further up. So if it continues to push up, hopefully, would have been a good place to hedge, but it's always a difficult decision, especially when you're so close to getting to the finish. Then there's a question, why should I hedge the trade now? Like now, but it's one of those situations. So what we'll do, we'll get it up. We'll see if it manages to pull itself back up again. Looks like we're going to get a break of the support line now as well. Well, we missed the chance again. We're very close now, guys. So close we was. 15 points away. So of course, with all of the results there from America, which came out, so people like Netflix had huge drops in their fourth quarter of 2021. So a lot of companies had taken huge loss in profits or loss in earnings at least. So that's a reason for such big drops in the market recently, or part of the reason, but it's just one of those situations we can't avoid. probably going to break this support. Yep. So Nasdaq is continuing to drop. DAX is hitting a support line there at the 15.5. And hopefully this 34.6 will hold itself in the Dow Jones. It's struggling at the moment. Also dropping on gold. Oh, Nasdaq is really taking a pounding. So a few missed opportunities here. Hey, third time lucky. Okay, so maybe we'll search for the hedging escape. So very, very close. Small pump up. Wow. We'll hedge that. Okay. So there we are. Reduced it significantly there. Very, very amazing. So perfect. So we wasn't going to be able to get out of that trade with a closure, but we've managed to bring that now into a very, very tight hedge, 16 points. And overall, with today's winnings, we've managed to bring that all the way down now. So the weekly profit has gone down a bit for some reason, but the daily has kept itself pretty well. Yeah, I will take this day as a win, and that's going to be it until next week, guys. So thank you again, and we will be back.